Right, so we spent 2 days on the allotment last week. 4 days. Well, I did anyway. I've planted this bed out with pumpkins. However, I had some random radishes left over, stuck in the middle. They're not doing particularly well, the radishes, but pumpkins and everything are doing lovely. So yeah, they've been in now probably about 3 days. So yeah, that's good. Her bed, yeah, I still had a few issues with animals digging up the cardboard. Lost a few plants from that. I'm sure the seeds are all over the place as well. If they took, I'd be surprised. So yeah, I'm just going to keep watering and hoping for the best. You're going to also notice as we go round, because we've got a little bit of an issue with the water supply. I'm trying lots of different methods. So I've got these little baubles that you sort of fill up with water. We'll see how they go. Various different sizes. Sunflowers are doing amazing, really good. Put more sunflowers down, as you do. We've got Brussels sprouts in the middle of this one. We do actually, I think my husband put runner beans at the side. So I don't know whether that's going to get too dark then for the Brussels sprouts, but I just didn't want to lose some place in the middle. And you have to have Brussels sprouts at Christmas, so we'll give it a whirl. Not done much to that. Strawberries doing well, onions amazing. Rhubarb, yeah, that's not the best, but we're getting there. Got to sort that one out. Put some cabbage. It's not cabbage, it's cauliflower. Why is it signed as cabbage? My signpost is really bad. So we will see that and yeah, go from there. Tomatoes that are here, they're doing okay. They were a little small, but they're growing, they're good. It rained last night. Not much there. We put this water, well, when we say we, that's real we, that's Craig. Put this water butt in. It's working. It's working. Oh God, yeah, let's hope. He also, bless him, 3D printed the ends bits here. So we've done that, and then he's just finished it off with lots of gaffer. I think over yeah, well, it is done. He always over engineers everything, bless him. But yeah, leeks in here. Put a few leeks in here and French beans. There is the odd tomato plant as well. And again, more Brussels sprouts and cauliflowers in this area here, and leeks as well. The grapevine is looking divine, and the other one, which I really didn't think would survive, has done amazing. Really, really good. I'm so pleased with that. The only thing is, I wish it was the other side of the wire. Like, should have pushed it back a little bit, but it'll be fine. Yeah, hopefully trail back. Let's hope. Oh, let's come out of its place. Let's put that in there. And then the radishes, we are getting massive amounts of radishes out. I've planted some patchouli in there, and yeah, finished a few carrot lines where got a few gaps, a bit too big. More carrots over here. These actually need spreading out, so yeah, we'll have to have a look at that. So the potatoes are coming on and lovely. I've also put some kale in places as well, so that's got some kale in. And we planted a bit more fennel in there as well. Then here we have more chard and also beetroot. So Craig done the beetroot after I done the chard, and I told him where to pull it, but did he pull it right? No. So we're gonna have chard and beetroot in the same place, so that's going to be interesting. We got peas growing up there as well. So there's a few. The lettuce I can't seem to do anything with, so that's not really working this year. I don't know why. I'm going to have to probably put them in pots. I still got loads to see, so that's fine. The one that we did have success with was from home, but the moment I moved it, yeah, I didn't like it. So yeah, that's sad. The tomatoes that are up here in this little area that I have not finished, it's kind of just sat. They're probably the saddest. They look a bit sad, don't they? Poor things. Yeah, I think I might have to move the position of that already. We will see. We will see. Now, I moved all of the seeds from home, all the plants from home, so that's why we've been planting out. We've got a few left over in the greenhouse still. So I need to see how they're going. But they're doing okay. Doing alright. And I've put some sweet corn in here as well in the grow bags. The tomatoes that we put in here are doing the best out of all of them, without a shadow of a doubt. Just really good. I might see if I can create some room. I'll move things around, and then might bring my other bag in here. That's going to be an interesting move. So maybe I should just leave it. I don't know. What would you do? Right. Alright, so I've opened the polytunnel and we have the cucumber, the lettuce, the aubergine, the peppers all in here. Yeah, so I've also got a random pumpkin as well, so we may regret because of the size of them, but we'll see. Yeah, it's getting quite wow. Looks good. Now we have had a little bit of a boo-boo, so we're trying all the different methods for watering. So we've got these drip bags that we're putting in. We thought they'd be okay. However, I think they will be, but we're going to have to take them home to fill them up with water. So the water that we get out of the well here is full of the clay, and we have a feeling it will cause a problem with the tubes. Does anyone else have this issue? I don't know whether to continue with this or not, but we will see. We will see. It's nothing to be like, it's stressful, but check outside. Hello. Come out. Where have you gone? I lost it. I hope you when I can find you. Right, so there we go. That's wrong way, mister. Come on, this way. This way. Down, down. Down, down. Come on. Oh, come on. There we go. And he's off. Right. Yeah, so that's where we're at. still a little bit more work, still got to finish. I've got more of these on the way, all these canes that are high, so they're to go the other side. And then with this, we've still got this bed to do, and another path. I'm also having to think about how we're laying this out, because I can't get to the grow bags if we are putting them there, and I can't get to them here neither, and I've put the tree in the way. We will have a path, I think, going up the middle, so yeah, I can't seem to work this area out. I know it's really simple, but it's just not going in my head. I'm going to play with it a bit more. We'll get there, we'll get there. Right, folks, I hope you like the progress, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheerio!